gotta share Walmart Plus membership with family. You can do this through the Walmart Plus household sharing feature, and here's how we can do it. First, we gotta check for eligibility for sharing. Primary account, you must have an active Walmart Plus membership. Household members, only one additional household member can be added to your membership. They must live at the same address as the primary account holder. Now here's how we can add a household member. Step 1, you have to go to the Walmart app or the Walmart website and sign into your account. Then you will navigate to the Walmart Plus section by selecting account and then Walmart Plus from the menu. You will look for an option that says add a household member. Then you enter the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure the email is tied to their Walmart account, or they will need to create one if they don't have it. Step 5, the invited person will receive an email. Once they accept the invitation, they will be added to your membership, so they gotta check their email account. Benefits for the added member. The household member will have access to all Walmart Plus benefits, including free delivery on orders $35 and up where available, free shipping with no order minimum on items from Walmart.com, discounts on fuel when participating gas stations and mobile scan and go in store. Limitations: only one additional member can be added to the account, and both the primary account holder and the household member must live at the same address. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.